Hello everyone, welcome back to a new TristArtist video. Today I will show you what I made for the pen pal winner. Last time I showed you how I made a pen pal letter. I did a giveaway and the winner was Rai. I hope I pronounce your name right. Maybe it's Rai. She loves fiction books, reading, doodling and God's creations and nature, and I love that as well, so I thought I would create a nice little pen pal package with a nature theme. So just like my last pen pal letter, I started by looking through magazine and through my stickers and my own kind of stationery collection. I created this little envelope. I used a brown papered one this time, and I kind of decorated it with plants and different kind of textures and prints, and a sticker especially for you. I hope you can see that because it is in gold. On the back I pasted this beautiful illustration work of a garden house, and I pasted one of my own plant stickers there. I thought it looked so cute and the colors are so beautiful. Now onto the little package. It is kind of built up from different parts. So let's start with the first one. The first thing that I will be sending her is this little poster I found in Flow magazine, and I love the colors. I love the greens and the jungle plant kind of theme. And this red car here and the little lady is kind of subtle, but I love that. It is so cute. So I have to fold it, unfortunately, otherwise it won't fit into the envelope. I wrote her this letter, so on the front and the back with some gold stickers, and I will be putting that in this little poster. I have two little separate kind of envelopes. The first one is made out of tissue paper that I recycled. In here I placed several things. I found this beautiful painting in one of my church magazines, and she's a Christian too, so I thought that she could appreciate it. I loved it so much I almost wanted to keep it for myself because I love the colors and kind of the serene look of the woman, and yeah, it looks like she's praying or thinking about God, and I think it would be nice to frame it or something, and I just pasted one of her favorite colors on the back. On top of that I am placing this beautiful encyclopedia page that is illustrated. It is Dutch, but she can cut this out or use this for another pen pal letter or for bullet journaling or making a bookmark or whatever. I just thought it looked really nice and cute. I'm also sending her one of my own illustrated cards. This is a plant themed card, one of my favorites. So this is the back. This is one of her favorite colors, so I thought that was really nice as well. Another painting I found in this church magazine is this one. I love that Jesus is blessing the children and the angels on the background. I love the painting style of this as well. It is very unique and I thought that she would like it. Two more little postcards of plants. I love these so much. This one says take some time out. That fits this time perfectly. I'm also sending a few of my notepad pages. I love these so much. They are perfect for bullet journaling, but also you can use it for whatever. I'm binding this all together with the tiniest little clothespin. So that's going here. And then I'm going to pack it in the tissue paper. With this piece of twine I am going to wrap it because I always think that gives it really a luxurious and kind of cute look. Ta-da! Looks so cute, right? In the last little envelope, I put some stickers and washi tape. So it's not really an envelope, I just folded this paper, as you can see, in like 3. And I placed one of my plant stickers on here as well. I'm sending her 2 of my own homemade, hand-painted stickers. This one was actually a trial for these stickers. As you can see, they are a little bit smaller, the edges are rounded, but it's from the same series. But of course you can still use them. I love the colors and it goes with the theme. She loves to bake and maybe also loves to cook, so she can make her own recipe book and use these stickers. I love these fruit ones as well. I'm also sending her one of my favorite teas. This is by Heath and Heather, organic raspberry leaf tea. It is without caffeine because I don't drink caffeine. I actually really like this tea, but the person that sold this to me in the store actually told me that it helps with menstrual pains, menstrual cramps as well, so I thought that I would send that to her. A little set of washi tape I made for her has stationary washi tape, this grid washi tape, and poppy washi tape. It looks so cute together. I really hope she starts bullet journaling because she told me that she doesn't do that yet, but maybe with this she will. And lastly, I am sending her one of my business cards. I actually sent these out with all of my Etsy orders so she can contact me. I always like to stack it nicely, like so, I guess. Now we are going to stack it nicely together. Shall I put this under here? Just look cute. Let's see. I always really wonder if it really looks this nice when you unpack it, or that it just is shoveled all around in the envelope because of transportation. But yeah, I think this looks really cute. I think this will be it. Now let's see if it all fits in here, just to make sure. Yes, and closing it will be easy as well. This is not sticky enough to my liking. I think it will open, so I'm using my beloved sticky dots again. I just wrote her address down, but I thought it looked a little bit plain still, so I'm using again one of my own stickers of the sticker sheet. I already used this one, but I think it just will look so cute here. Yes, I think this looks a lot better. So the post stamps will go here, her address is underneath my business card, and yeah, it's ready to send off. So that's it. Like and subscribe if you don't want to miss any of my videos, and I will see you next time.